at the camera, Messiah. Messiah, look at the camera. You pull my hair.
Let me sit.
I'm gonna come around here.
Let me sit.
Let go. Sit on the table. Here, jump up here. Oh, you can't jump up there. They probably can see you. Come up here and jump. Jump. You gotta look at the camera. Y'all, he got my hair. Say hey. You just want to sit on the table. Okay. So we about to make some grinders. I've been seeing this everywhere on social media. And I've been wanting to make it. I just never took the time to go buy the stuff and all the seasons I need. But today, I said today is the day. Okay, y'all. So let me cut this. I think I got it great. I'm in a Christmas spirit today. Y'all see I got on my Christmas pajamas. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get this right. Oh, Lord. Okay, I think this is gonna be the opening. But this, okay. I thought it was already cut. Don't stop it. You stopped it? They can't see you. You gotta come around, but I'm gonna flip it in a minute. Hold on. Alright, so let me cut this open. I thought it was already gonna be open.
I'm cutting the bread.
I'm about to make a sandwich. Homemade grinders. Oh. This bread smells real good. Or maybe I'm just hungry. Okay, so we're just gonna do that like that. So I'm gonna start mixing the stuff first. And then I'll get to the bread and the toasting and all of that. Don't let him play with that cord. Okay, let me go on TikTok and find the girls who I was watching.
Try to get the camera.
No! What? I forgot I didn't have that light on. Okay, so I just watched the video. So I'm gonna start off with Miracle Whip. I'm only using, I don't really know I know what's good and what I like, but I'm just trying to follow one of their recipes. So I'm using Miracle Whip because the girl said she likes Miracle Whip. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Miracle Whip. Or should I use mayonnaise? No, I'm gonna use Miracle Whip. I'm making this big sandwich. I'm gonna cut it in half, but I want to make sure I got enough. So I'm putting all this Miracle Whip. I don't even like Miracle Whip. So then she added the red wine vinegar. You gotta start running. That's why you're doing all that choking. Y'all hear all the noise in the background. I say this every video, I feel like. But Messiah on the floor playing with a robot. And Joshua's running back and forth and bouncing on the ball.
Mama.
Why they
Look at
out?
the ball.
Watch out! You don't put the ball down. I don't want you to hit the camera. I hope that's enough. Should be. And the seasons they want us to use, or the seasons we can use. I guess you can use whatever one, whatever ones you like. So I'm going to use some oregano. Oh, yeah. Sprinkle some of that up in there. Garlic powder. gotta turn it on so I can pour.
I like the lights.
Put some crushed red peppers.
I like
Smelling
it.
good already. I'm so hungry. I haven't. Oh, I did eat today, but I'm
But
ready
let
to eat
me
again.
see.
Salt. Oh, this was crushed red peppers,
But let me
black
see.
pepper. If y'all didn't hear me,
Mama, see?
hold on. Every time I'm cooking, he want to come up and look in the bowl or look in the skillet or the pot that's on the stove. Like I can never just cook. You gotta be careful because it's nice on the table. Oh, he messed with my camera.
Mama, what's bell?
Watch out.
Mama, what's bell?
Okay, I had to put him in his sitter thing because he keep grabbing my ring light in the camera shake.
Mama.
You gotta hold on. I'm not about to let you smell it. Wait till I'm done.
This smells like pizza.
Pizza. Just back up. It's nice on the table. Banana peppers. Of course,
That's
juice in there.
pickles?
Lots of banana peppers.
Let me eat.
Put some salt.
Mama, eat.
Hold on.
Mama, eat.
Okay, eat the camera. Unless you eat in the camera. You gotta eat the whole thing. You wanna eat this little piece or in a big piece?
Yeah.
Which one you want? A big piece or the little piece? Big piece?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, come get the camera. You about to eat this banana pepper. He like pickles, let's see if you like this. Why I gotta put it in your mouth? I was handing it to you. You like it? Eat it. Eat it then. You always asking for something. What it tastes like? It tastes spicy? Oh, it say mild. So you like it? Keep jumping around, y'all. I hope it ain't that spicy.
Mama, taste one more time.
Oh, you like it? Like, here, you got a bit.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm not gonna. Okay, a little bit more.
This pickle
Not
bad.
that much. Here, you want this? If you don't want it, just throw it in the garbage. Italian dressing. Please don't start crying. Just like that. The camera. All right, let me get him out. Let my hair go. Oh my goodness. What did I not add? Minced garlic. We doing a lot. So I'm adding basically ingredients from 2 different people's TikTok on how they made it. So I hope this is good. I use that, all of that. I'm gonna cut up this onion and then add the lettuce. I'm gonna add.
Mom,
No, I'm
Mom, what are you doing in the car?
sit down there real quick.
Mom, what's the
I
more?
should have cut up this first. You gotta wait, Josh.
Mom, what's the more?
Onions is really my favorite thing on the sandwich.
Ooh.
Okay, can you hold on?
Ooh.
It's so nasty, but you want some more.
Yeah, what's the more? I want to see nasty. Mom, why you cutting?
Because it's going in the sandwich.
Okay.
Mix it up. Oh, lettuce.
Ma, you got $50 a camera.
50,000 cameras?
Yeah, you got a camera.
Got like 2 cameras. I was talking about phone wise. 2 phones
Yeah.
and 2 cameras. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna need
Mama,
some.
look. Mama, look. Mama, look. Mama, what's the one?
Alright, y'all, so I just turned the oven on to 350.
Ooh.
It didn't say how long to toast it, but I'm just gonna toast it until I feel like it's done.
Peace.
Josh, you're not gonna eat.
I will eat it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put the cheese in the
I like
bread and put it in the oven. Where is it? So we got the American cheese, and I brought provolone. Oh, I gotta make the spread too. Let me make that real quick. So I'm gonna rub this on top of the bread.
Mama, you in the camera.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see you in the camera, Mom.
Trying to make sure I got enough butter.
I see you cooking in the camera.
Okay.
Mama, this hurt.
What's that?
Banana.
Banana?
Yeah, this hurt.
Kind of hurt.
Because it's hurt.
Okay. That don't answer the question.
It's hurt.
Stop eating it.
I want to eat it.
Just a little bit of that. Okay, I'm just gonna put some whole thing. So I'm warming it up, and I'm gonna spread it on the top of the bread. And that's how you gotta do that. So let me put my cheese.
Mama, look.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
Tristan.
That's Santa Claus.
And Valentine's for Tristan. Santa Claus. Mama, say it. Santa Claus and have and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Who be saying that?
I say it and I say Merry Christmas.
And a happy New Year.
Mom, put shovels on there.
Put what on there?
No, you can't.
Stop.
No,
Put what on there?
no, I ain't saying it.
Yes, you did.
I ain't saying it. I ain't put. Why put shovels on it?
It's cheese.
Huh?
It's cheese.
Oh, that's it.
Y'all gotta be careful by that mirror. Where that's going? I wish I had a brush to like
Be careful.
put over it. Be careful.
Yeah. Ooh, I got heat.
Josh. What you doing down there? Beside it. It's the garlic. This minced garlic and butter. You wash your hands.
Oh, man.
Alright, so now I'm going to place this in the oven and let it toast.
Mom, don't get burned.
Let me clean this up. What are you doing? Okay, for the meat, I got some ham. We'll put the ham first.
Not cookies.
No, this meat.
But why ham?
Ham.
I don't want to eat ham.
Why you say ham like that?
I don't want to eat that. That's nasty.
You haven't even had it yet.
Messiah, stand up there.
Messiah, he's standing up, y'all. But he holding on to the mirror, but he doing it. Watch out, Josh. Let me see him real quick before he falls. Ah! I had to clean that mirror off. Josh drew all over it. So then we're gonna add the ham. I mean the salami. This one. Please, don't let him fall. Don't make him fall. I had to get the small pepperonis because they didn't have no big. I didn't see no big pepperonis at Walmart. That's where I got everything from. Oh my goodness! I hope I was supposed to add the stuff first. I think I was supposed to add the meat and then the stuff. Y'all want some pepperonis?
I'm taking socks off.
Why are you taking his socks off? You want some pepperoni? Huh? Oh, I'm so hungry. You don't like pepperoni?
Yep. Oh, hey.
That's what I was asking you. I should add some more meat. I'm so extra. Okay, let's add the sauce. So I should have added it at the top right there. Hold on. You gonna try some of this sandwich? Huh?
Mama, look.
Josh, you gonna try some of this sandwich?
No.
Why? You just wanna eat
Mama,
pepperoni?
look.
Jump roping?
Yeah, look, Mama, look.
Yeah.
My shirt.
Be careful.
Mama, look, I want some more chocolate. One.
I'm about to give it to you. Ooh.
You like that?
It
Like
ain't
it?
falling out because I didn't make a lot of stuff. Watch out for that, please. I didn't make a lot of the stuff, but it's still good. Let me make sure this even. You gonna bite mine? You wanna eat with me?
No.
Oh, it's falling out the bag.
No.
Why not?
No,
It
don't
looks
put
really
it.
good. I need to add some more stuff. This is my sandwich. You might like it.
I want pepperoni.
I'm gonna give you some.
No.
You take this out.
I want pepperoni. No.
Okay, so I brought these chips to eat with our sandwiches. This your daddy's sandwich. And I was gonna eat mine with you.
No.
I knew you wasn't gonna eat it all. But you gotta eat something. Y'all, he at this age where he do not want to eat. Well, he don't want to eat food. He want to eat junk. And he eats some cereal or something. But
I want to
like
eat.
food,
I
you don't want
want
it.
to eat this.
You bumping my camera. Here,
I just want. Let me drink.
that's a whole lot.
I got drink.
Okay, let me bite the sandwich. Back up, please. So this is the creation. It looks good. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture too first. Hold on. It looks good. You try it?
Yeah. No. I want.
It tastes like Subway.
I
No,
want
but
bite
this tastes
to
really
that.
good.
I want bite to this.
Better than what I made last time.
I want bite to this.
Hmm. just want to bite the bread. You drop it on the counter. Okay, let's eat. Okay, so we about to make some gingerbread houses. You ready? Y'all, we gonna make some gingerbread houses. I haven't made one of these
Let me go get the
since
candy.
I was little. Some what?
The candy is the refrigerator.
The candy in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
No, that's not candy for this. That's a candy apple. We got the candy inside the box. So let me tell you what comes in the box. So in this box we got the pre-baked cookies, the candy accessories, the glittery sugar, and the cookie icing. All that's inside the box. I should have bought different candy to put on it. Look at this, what's in there, the diamonds, the yellow. We're about to open it and see. Let me help you. Hold on, let me take it off.
Let's see.
Messiah on the couch. I hope he don't start crying, y'all, because he loves to cry when he want to get out of there. Hold on, I'm about to help you too. Let me sit on the couch for a minute.
Whoa, that's a house. I like it. Open it tight. Get the fork and open it tight.
Your nose running, Messiah. You talking?
Whoa.
Oh, I ripped it.
I like it.
Okay, we gotta take out all your stuff.
Take it out of the
Oh, what's this? Okay, so it comes. I forgot how to do it. Okay, wait. Okay, here's the cookies and stuff. Oh, put that over there.
This is mine.
This is your icing,
Yep.
your
Mine.
sugar.
Sugar.
Let's take out all my stuff. Don't open nothing yet. This the cookies.
Ooh, this is mine.
This the candy and stuff.
Oh, Daddy, this candy.
Well, the cookies smell good.
Cookies. Ooh, who is this? Oh, who is that?
Yes, here, let me put all your stuff. We don't have no paper towel, but I wiped off the table real good, so we gonna just put it on the
Who's gonna
table.
open?
Oh, let me open this for you. Hold on, I'll do it.
Mama, this is a house. I like house.
This is Josh's first time making a gingerbread house. So I'm gonna put your stuff up here.
Put
I'm
my
gonna show you how to do it because I don't want you to just mess it up. You just wanna, he just ready to eat the stuff.
I ain't waiting to eat it.
He just ready to eat it.
No way.
Wait, because I don't want you to break it.
Mom, look at I just done in the house. Mom, we got a door.
She is breaking.
Why my stuff break? They made my stuff break. Why people made my stuff break?
What are we supposed to do with this? Or is this just what the house came in? Oh wait, here's the instructions. Be good, Messiah. Here's the instructions on the back of the box.
My doctor, I got what we have.
Now, wait, Josh.
Mama, why do I don't want to buy this house? I don't want to buy that house.
Trying to break this stuff.
Let me spell.
Get all my stuff out.
The house feels good.
Smell good?
Yeah. Spell mine. Spell.
Yep.
Let me spell yours. Let me spell yours. That looks like cookies.
Sit down. Let me go get the scissors. Ooh, my legs.
Ooh, your legs. Ooh, your legs what? Sit down.
I'm about to sit on this ball.
Yep. Guys, sit down.
Hope I'm-
No, Mama, don't pop it.
Don't pop it. You trying to call me fat?
Yeah, don't pop the ball. Because
Let me cut open those. Let me put mine.
Mom, why you got daddies?
It's
Get
mine.
your own.
These the cooking scissors. What are you talking about?
This your own. This Zaddy. This your own.
So he thinks these is daddy's scissors because we got another pair of scissors and they pink. But I only use these for cooking, clearly, and stuff like this. And the other scissors are just scissors. The other scissors are scissors we use for everything, you know, that need to be cut. So because they pink, he thinks that those are mine and that these are his dad's.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So they tell us what to do. So we have to arrange the house's pieces face up. You did this before?
Yeah.
You never did this.
But that's a she.
Okay, so it say, step 1, cut the icing bag. Step 2, arrange the house pieces face up. Use the cookie icing to outline your front door and any extra details. It's not that, it shouldn't get hard. So,
Mom,
this would be the
this
side of the house. Okay.
Put it in the house.
So how you want to do it first? How you want to do your front first?
Yep.
Okay, wait. No. I don't want to use, let's not use this. Okay, so, I'm confused. Okay, so these are the sides of the houses, right?
Oh.
So basically, we have to put the icing. No, put your cookie down for a break. You want, and you can move this over here for now. Okay, so you got your icing?
Yep.
No, you can't put it together like that yet. You gotta make sure you gotta put it down first so we can spread it. You know what I'm saying? So get your icing. Let's make sure. That's the side. Okay. So we're gonna put icing on the side right here. You gotta be careful. Make it line. Huh?
Mommy, help.
Hold on.
Ma, you messed all the table up.
I know, we're gonna clean it up. Here, squeeze it. You squeeze it across. It's gonna come out. Squeeze it at the bottom, sort of. Yep, ooh, good job. Okay, wait, you can put a little bit more if you want to. I think I'm pretty slow. This boy about to flip off the couch. Oh. Okay, wait. Oh, okay, do what you got. Do how you want it. I'm probably gonna do this too. So,
Now,
you smart. This tastes really good.
This too hard.
It's too hard?
Yep.
No, you just gotta focus.
Now put this together.
Hold on.
So that
Across.
cross.
Okay. Okay, that's probably enough because we just need.
One more time. Ma, I said one more time. Ma, I did it.
Good job.
Yeah. Ma, you messed the whole table up.
How I mess it up?
Because you messed the
Okay,
whole
I'm about to do my other side
You about to, I about to
before I
do
put my
side.
front on.
I about to do my other side.
Okay, Messiah, you can't do this. You're just a baby.
Ma, this icing don't
You
feel
gotta
good.
squeeze it down so it can come down. You know, like squeeze down there and at the top at the same time.
Look, Ma. Now look at this. I made the whole table.
It's okay. Messiah.
My name's Shay.
Your name
My
Jay?
name's Jay.
Yep, your name starts with a J. You made a J?
Yep,
Let me see.
I made it.
It looks like you made a T for my name.
Look what. I made a Shay. I made the whole table.
Oh, I gotta find this pacifier. Sit down.
I got it. I did it. Ooh. I got super ice.
Okay. Ooh.
My look.
Okay, I'm about to make your line. Should I go ahead and smooth it out? I think we should put the icing on and then smooth it out so it can stick. I'm gonna show you. Put your ice, make your lines like this.
I did.
You did?
Yep. I make my line, and I go down and go over.
Okay. So grab
Go
your.
over.
I'm gonna use this and then I'm gonna let you use it. Oh wait, maybe we shouldn't
Let
do
me
that.
do it.
Cause the ice is thick. Maybe we shouldn't do that.
Let me do it.
I'm about to just put my house on. It ain't gonna work. Stop, cause you want me to take it all off. Man, this don't stick.
Now this gonna be hard. Okay? Now this too hard.
Yeah, it might be, but it's okay.
Maybe too hard. Ready?
I don't know what to do.
No, you don't want to.
Maybe we should use this.
Let me do it. I got it.
Nuh-uh, cause all your ice on it. I can't see.
Oh, you can see. Wow, you get the whole more height. Let's open. We gotta open this.
Okay, hopefully that's it. Hold your stuff up like that. Nope, you gotta hold it. Maybe it'll dry. Come on, we're gonna use this box. Hold that. Hold your stuff. Let me see, and then I'm gonna.
I got this.
Hold on, cause I'm gonna see how we're gonna do it. Then I'm gonna help you. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay. Let's let yours dry. Stop.
Are you doing?
You ain't have enough icing on your wall so that it stick.
Yep, we are having no more ice. That's try. My look at my we bought a house.
Yep.
Yep.
So let's see. You wanna make it stick?
Yep. Wow. I do my icing. I will do my.
Don't bump it hard. That's the front. What is that? Oh, your cookie have broke. What is that though? I think that's the back door. This. What? Oh, that's the. Oh, we put the roofs. We put the roofs on. Josh, we messed up. These are the roofs.
Oh, these are the rules.
The roofs.
The rules. Oh.
Woo!
About the rules.
I want to start over.
You want to start over? I think it's all
I
myself.
should have took my time and read it. Oh.
You broke it, does
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do my
Let's try it. Why are you looking at me like that?
Mama, why you put my house out this way?
What?
You put my house out this way. I'm gonna put it in.
This is a disaster.
I'm gonna show you.
Oh my gosh, I give up.
Give up, does it?
Here. Oh! Look what he did.
You got the whole ice on you.
He gotta go.
He eat the ice now. He better not.
Let's let him try the icing.
Ma, look at this.
What's this? I think I'm gonna eat my stuff
I'm gonna eat mine.
because I messed up. Maybe we can start over with regular ones. The regular graham crackers. Not this boy walking.
Ma did it.
Okay, you want to sprinkle your candy on yours? Your house at least is standing.
My house is broken. My house is messed up.
So you can just sprinkle it from the side.
Huh?
Sprinkle it. I'm about to just put icing on mine and candy on mine and eat it. We're not. It's not gonna stay because it's not how it's supposed to be. We just gonna do whatever you want.
You don't do everything. Oh, my house. Mama, look at my house. My house is broke down. Yeah. My house broke down.
Now I'm gonna add
Ma, you buy your own house.
a little bit of sprinkle. I can't believe I'm making a mess like this. Okay, now. Don't be dramatic. Okay, I'm about to take a bite. I gave up.
Oh, you gave up. I'm gonna eat it first. Cause it's good.
We gotta clean up.
We clean up, I'm gonna get
My
good.
pants dirty.
My house broke down. Ma, you eating so fast.
These ground crackers good.
Ma, can you help me?
You ain't got enough icing on that. This boy missing a sock. He looking like a baby. Oh, stop.
Mama, can you open this, please? Ma, you eating like a man.
I'm eating like a man. I'm eating like a man.
Yeah, you eating like a man. Mama, my hair's dirty. My hair's dirty.
No, the ice is sticky.
Hey! Stop playing with my candy.
So candy, what that
Yeah.
mean?
Mama, we make the whole table up. Look.
Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it up.
You wipe it up? Ma, we wipe it up tomorrow. And we'll get out the stool, we'll wipe it up.
I'm gonna wipe it up tonight.
Yeah. Put it.
That's the, what's that? Oh, he about to break it.
Oh, my house.
Boy, you want to eat these so bad.
Don't eat
So
it.
Santa Claus to your gingerbread
My-
man.
My house. Oh, my house.
Where is his, oh, his other sock right there.
Mom, my house broke down.
Well, sleeping. Just eat it.
Eat it?
Why you sneaking eating it?
Eat it?
If you want to.
Not eat it.
So this is a fail. Our houses can be put together. Try again next year. You gotta get them cleaned up. This is the ball I was bouncing on. Trying to get them out.
Mommy, eat yours.